guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, then hi, my name is Payal, and do consider joining my family by hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell icon in order to be notified. In this video, I'm going to review Glamego May Edition box. I know I am late on this, but since I was traveling to Andaman, so things got a little bit delayed. But apart from that, I was using a product, so I was like, I really wanted to make it a small review as well, so that I can share my thoughts about the product with you guys. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So before talking about the products I received in Glamego May Edition box, I would like to talk about the packaging first. As 13th May is celebrated as Mother's Day, they have actually made it up in their box, and they have kept in images of cute animals, which I really found it very cute, and I love cute stuff, so this is what they have done it. And the moment you open it up, you can actually read a message which is, she's like mommy bear, cuddle us like a cub. She's like mommy elephant, navigate us to light. She's like mommy tigress, protect us like a cub. Love you, mom. And we all love our mothers. And they have kept two pamphlets. One is date with mom, like hashtag date with mom, tag us. And the second leaflet is an usual leaflet where they talks about all the products they have implemented in the box. And one thing which I see is that they have actually kept a night cream, which is great for mature skin, and the nail polish is nude, which obviously my mom will love, and so do I, and a red lipstick which I'm wearing presently. So we'll just see the products in depth now. So the very first product which comes into my eye is actually a face wash. I will say that I have not used it that much. I've just recently started using it. It gives you a very cool sensation. I didn't burst up into any acne, that is for sure. I am actually thinking that this is a great face wash in order to carry it up, and it's only for 99 rupees. However, I'm still planning to do an in-depth review of this product because I have seen lots of products from the brand Acne's, and it states that it is great for acne-prone skin. So I'm thinking in order to do a in-depth review about this product. So yeah, this is what I have received first. Now the second thing which catches my eye is a nude nail polish. I love nude colors, and this is definitely one of them. It's very beautiful. It has a very little tint of what do you call it, peach, or should I say pink. It's very beautiful, amazing. I love nude colors. I feel that nude colors makes you look a little bit more polished, posh. That's the thing, like I love nude colors, and recently I'm actually gravitating a lot towards nude nail polishes. Let me know if you want me to do a video where I will talk about my top 5 nude nail polishes. Please let me know in the comments down below. Now coming towards the third product which has actually impressed me is a lip scrub, and this one is rambutan, dates and licorice, and this is an amazing product. I was using this product in Andaman in order to scrub up my lips because I was using a lot of matte lipsticks because those stays for a longer period of time. So I am quite impressed with this, and it tastes yummy, so definitely yay. Now coming towards the fourth product which I'm presently wearing is basically a red lipstick from the brand Bella Voste, and this one is 07 Legendary. This is a satin touch. It's not matte, and that means it won't last for a longer period of time. You have to carry it because it contains moisture. That means it will bleed here and there. Just be a bit aware when you are drinking and eating, but apart from that, it's a very beautiful color, as you guys can see, and I'm loving it. Now coming towards the fifth and the final product which has impressed me a lot is Watere, I just hope I'm pronouncing it right, is multivitamin and regenerating night cream. It is meant for men as well as ladies, as the illustration states. So this is basically a enriched moisturizing cream which you can use in night in order to massage your face. It gets absorbed very quickly. Let me just show you the texture. It's very thick, but the moment you start massaging, it gets absorbed very quickly. The fragrance is very mild. I love this product. I was using it every single night in Andaman, and I'm still using it. I am in love with this product, and it's really good for mature skin. So you can just share this with your mother if you want to, but I'm using it for my skin. So The box is empty. I'm quite impressed. I'm going to keep my clutches in this, like hair clutches and pins. I'm thinking like that. I'm not going to throw it up. Let me be very frank to you. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it is coming late because I was traveling. I'm really sorry for that, but it's better to be late rather than never. So that's the thing I really wanted to share my thoughts about the box. And do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are in the description box. My Andaman vlog will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon in order to stay updated. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then do thumbs up. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.